Alright, welcome back to the Ride Along Gang. We are 6 miles from our pickup. Apparently somebody's about to get in our way. We stopped the live stream for the pickup, and so we could do this right here. I'm gonna try to put a drone in the sky, and I'm gonna try to get us like a little back angle plus this angle. So it's just a different kind of video. We've not done one like this before. Hopefully you enjoy it. And we'll get started here in a few minutes. Alright, let's get moving. Like I said, we got 6 miles going over here in Murfressboro, Tennessee to pick up a load that's headed to El Paso. Now what we're going to do on this vlog is maybe just the pickup here in Murfressboro. Something a little different for me. I mean, I've done kind of a little bit like this, but not great. So I'm just trying it out, trying a little different. Seeing how you guys like this point of view. Hopefully we can get 3 different cameras working for this vlog here. That's what I'm hoping for. Because I got a camera that I'm going to put on the ground so you guys can see. Then we got the drone we're going to put in the sky. Hopefully it works out this time. Last time we stopped here, see, I put the drone up with not a full battery, and the person wasn't off the door yet that I was going to, so I ended up missing the drone shot the last time we come here, which I never did upload it. I think it was on account of that. Hopefully it all works out this time. It doesn't take us too long to get loaded here. Of course, every time you can go to the same place every time, and it always works out different. It just depends, because see, our appointment is not till 2 o'clock, and it's 12 o'clock right now, 7 minutes after 12. They'll definitely let us check in early. That's for definite. I mean, I've been here enough that I do know that. But now whether they actually get us loaded before 2 or not, that I'm not 100% certain on. We're ahead of our appointment, so if they do, then you know this is our time that we're setting. And we got 2 miles to get on around this camper. No point in riding behind a slowpoke. You don't have to. Before too long. We've already got our trailer on 34 degrees. We pre-cooled it on the way. This is our exit here now. I don't know the name of the place. We've been here a time or two. It was listed under General Mills the first time. They warehouse different stuff for different places. not just one particular brand. But I could have took, the last time we was here, I could have went through that drive-through and ordered our food, but I didn't know it until after I done got over there. I walked from right over here. I've been here like, this is like the 4th time I've been here. You'd think I would remember. It's the second red light. Second red light. But one time we loaded right here in this area, and then the other times we've loaded down there in that area. I don't know which one we'll load up in today, but we'll see. Hopefully we're not here forever, but we're going to get through this check-in, and we are headed, like I said, to El Paso, I think, from here. Yeah, not I think, we're headed to El Paso from here. Alright, and then see, that's the number right there that we're going to call and check in at. Drivers remain in trucks. Check in. Text 1724. See you on the other side of check in. Alright, now that was completely phone check in. I don't know, I should have left it on, I guess, while I was doing that. We didn't talk to anybody coming in except for on the phone. We give them our numbers that we needed, and they'll contact us on the phone at what door to go to. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to park us right here. Here, the reason why I wanted to park right here is so I would know which way I'm going from here. What it is a yard dog. A yard dog will come around and get us and tell us what door to go to. So we'll wait here for the yard dog. Alright, here we go to the door. Door number 11. Slide our tandems back. kind of slide our tandems a little bit. I think we actually touched one of them yellow things just then, but those are plastic. They're just meant for to keep you out of from blocking the traffic up. Now let's straighten it out, which sliding the tandems all the way to the back. But we'll straighten it out in the process. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next go around. I'll see you on the next live, something like that. Thank you guys for watching.